So we are going to see about உயிரெழுத்துக்கள். உயிரெழுத்துக்கள், that is vowels. Our journey begins with the foundation of the உயிரெழுத்துக்கள், which are called vowels. These are the heart of the language, forming the core sounds that shape words and expressions. So here are the 12 உயிரெழுத்துக்கள், the building blocks of the Tamil language. These are essential in forming words and giving them their distinct sounds. So here in this table, you can see the first column contains authentic Tamil உயிரெழுத்துக்கள். The next column displays the corresponding phonetic letters with the length of the sound. And the last column showcases words that contain the sound of உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் in English words. A. A. A is a short vowel, so you have to pronounce short. A. So whether it is a short vowel or long vowel, we have mentioned in each letter, so you have to pronounce accordingly what we have mentioned here. A. A can be pronounced as in nut, but, shut. So when you pronounce these words, you hear the sound A, na, na, nut, ba, but, shut. So likewise, you have to pronounce all these உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் as in these words. Ah, ah. A is a long vowel, so you have to pronounce long. Ah. A as in father, caught, pot. E. E as in ink, tin, pin. E as in easy, feet, feet. U. U as in put. Oo. Oo as in moon, mood, bloom. E. E as in elephant, energy, emit. A. A as in ape, eight.
main,
I. I is called diphthongs. So diphthongs are vowel combination in single syllable where the sound glides from one vowel to another in the same syllable, creating a unique sound. So I comes when you combine A and E. Just mix both A and E and pronounce I. I. I as in idle, item, eyes. O. O as in omit. One. O. O as in show, cold, cold. You see, the sound O comes when you pronounce these letters. ow, ow. So ow is also called diphthongs. So when you mix a and u, you will get ow. Just combine both letters and pronounce ow, ow, as in house, bowl, now.
If you enjoy this video and want to learn more, check out the full Tamil course. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.